Greg or Todd, anything to add to that?
I would just say that I typically ask the people, my partners that I'm working with, kind of what are you trying to accomplish? Right. And so, there are two types of debt buyers out there. There's passive, and then there's, other folks that are active, that are actively collecting it. And obviously buying debt is kind of their business. And so are they looking to expand their footprint, grow their portfolio? Are they looking to feed their servicing network? It really depends on kind of what their objectives are. And so then different things become important to them. Advance rate, how much money do they have to put into each deal? And all three of us, Todd and Jeff and I, we look at these deals and we're assessing the risk. The more money that a debt buyer puts in, the less risk there is in that deal. And the other terms, such as interest rate or back end share or servicing fees, become much more flexible. When it's a riskier deal where we're putting in more money, some of those features get a little bit tighter. So it really comes down to kind of what is your objective? Are you looking to feed your servicing platform and make your profit off the servicing platform, or are you trying to make money off the investment? You have to take into consideration whether you're using your money or whether you have other investors involved in the transaction. And I think one of the really big benefits of using a company like the three of us run is we'll walk you through each one of those stages of the things that you need to kind of evaluate and the boxes that you need to check. And then hopefully you'll get a model at the end of that process that says, this is kind of what the deal looks like, and this is how we can structure it. The other thing is that, a real big challenge in this market today is the pricing of portfolios. All the sellers and the brokers, no disrespect to you, Chris, are obviously driven by, higher prices. Whereas, does the portfolio support that price? And I think the three companies here have historical liquidation data, and things that'll tell you, hey, look, at this price, you're kind of riding the edge of the investment curve. You may want to create a little bit more room and pay a lower price, or hey, you can go a little bit higher in a bid environment to buy this portfolio and still make your return targets.
Yeah,
Well
no, that's a
said.
great point. A great point.